The Qatari government has offered to sell 12 Mirage 2005 fighter jets to India. A defense team from Qatar came to New Delhi to offer this proposal. India Today reported that Indian officials received a detailed explanation from the Qatari delegation regarding the condition of the Mirage 2005 aircraft they were offering. It is said that the condition of the aircraft is good. India is reportedly interested in the proposal from Qatar because India itself uses a fleet of Mirage 2000 in its air force. The engines of India's and Qatar's Mirage 2000 aircraft are the same, so maintenance will be easier if India decides to take up the offer. The Qatari team offered a price of 5,000 crore rupees for the 12 aircraft, but the Indian side offered a lower price. Qatar offered India additional missiles and engines for Mirage 2005 flight operations. The delegation emphasized that the aircraft could be used, not just as spare parts. The Indian Air Force had previously received a large number of used spare parts and equipment from French vendors. The acquisition of second-hand Mirage 2000 is expected to address the IAF's shortage of fighter jets. Previously, Indonesia was interested in acquiring 12 Mirage 2005 fighter jets from Qatar. However, these plans have been cancelled. Member of Commission 1 DPRRI from the Golkar Party faction Bobby Adhityo Rizaldi in November 2022 asked the Indonesian government to review the plan to purchase 12 Mirage 2005 fighter jets from the former Qatar Air Force (QEAF). This, he said, is so that the government does not violate Law UU No. 16 of 2012 concerning the defense industry. That's right. Evaluate the plan, and review it so that it doesn't violate existing laws, said Bobby at that time. Bobby regrets the plan to purchase used main weapons system equipment, alutsista, which will later be manned by the Indonesian military.